In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to have a signature automatically default onto a marketing letter. So let's begin in Word, and let's pull up a letter that we want to have loaded into Blueprint. So here's a warranty expiration letter. Now I want to make sure that all of my letters are saved as .doc files in order to function properly. So let's choose the .doc file format and click Save. On our website, blueprintsolutions.us, you'll be able to find this merge field document, which will give you a listing of all the different merge fields you can load onto a letter in order to have that patient information or physician information automatically generate on your form. Within my warranty expiration letter, perhaps I want clinic information to populate. So I'm going to write a line, and I'm going to choose these clinic fields. So I want my clinic name, so I'm going to right click and paste. I want my clinic address and my clinic phone number to populate on these letters. This is going to be very helpful if you're operating in multiple clinic locations, because the information for the clinic will default to whatever clinic location is assigned on that patient's file. If you want to adjust the spacing, you can highlight the fields, choose paragraph, and adjust here. So I want single spacing, and click OK. In the greeting line, perhaps I want this to say, "Dear Mr. Jones." So what I'll do is find the salutation, and I'll right-click copy and right-click paste into my document, and then I want the patient's last name. So "Dear Mr. Jones." Copy and paste. You can edit the merge fields just as you would normal text, adding punctuation and adjusting font and size. On my warranty expiration letter, I also want the next upcoming warranty for the patient to populate. So within my merge field document, I can either enter both the left and right hearing aid warranty expiration dates, or I can utilize this auxiliary 1 field, which we'll see when we create a marketing campaign will populate the next upcoming warranty for that patient. Again, I may want to adjust my font size to match the rest of the font in my letter. Then down below, I want the signature of a staff member to automatically generate onto the letter. Your first step will be to send the signatures to our support team. You can email them to support@blueprintsolutions.us, and our technicians will load them in the database. To have them automatically populate on the form, you'll start by inserting a picture file. Any picture file will work. And then adjusting the size of that file for how big you want that signature. Then you can right-click on the picture and select Format Picture. In the Alt Text tab, type User Space Signature and click OK. Perhaps below that signature, I also want that person's first name, last name, qualifications, etc. to populate. So I'll use the signer first name merge field, the signer last name merge field. Maybe I'd also like the qualifications to populate, and that person's job title. I'll want to add a space between the first and last name, and perhaps a comma and a space after the last name, and again adjusting font and size. All right, when everything on here looks okay, I'll click Save. The next step is to load the template into Blueprint. So you'll click on Setup on the left toolbar and select Templates, and now locate that file on your computer. Click on the file and drag and drop it into Blueprint, and then give the template a name. You can select a category for it to belong to. If you want to generate it through the marketing module, make sure to save it under Patient Correspondence. Optionally add a description and then click Save. The document is now stored in Blueprint. I'll close the Setup menu to save that change. And then we'll go into the Marketing module and generate a list of our clients with warranties that are going to expire. Let's click Create New at the bottom of the screen and give the campaign a name. And click Create. Click Yes to proceed. The campaign will show in our list of marketing campaigns. We can double click on it to open it or click Edit Details at the bottom of the screen. And then we need to select our criteria. We're going to change the primary filter to warranty letters. And now double click in the value field to enter our date range. So we'll start with a 4-digit year, 2-digit month, and 2-digit day. So that's May 1st to May 31st of this year. And then I'll click Enter on my keyboard to save. Then I'll click Execute, and Blueprint will run a query on my database and give me a prompt with the number of patients who have a warranty on file that's expiring in the month of May. Clicking on the Selected Patients tab will show us the list of patients. Now all we have to do is click Print at the bottom of the screen, select the printing template, and then here's where we select our sign by. So I want Linda's signature to automatically populate. So I select her name and I click Print, and now all 8 letters will populate. What we'll see is the address for the patient in the top right-hand corner will change based on the location selected in the Patient's Details tab. Also, the warranty expiration date will be adjusted depending on the warranty on the client's file. Also below, we'll see the signer's first and last name, qualifications, job title, and signature automatically loaded onto each letter. The warranty date is pulling in from that auxiliary 1 field, which we see listed here. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.